Hello students, welcome back. We can't imagine mathematics without numbers. We are using numbers in many occasions. We are using numbers in our daily life. Here you can see some pictures. This all is connected with numbers. In this number plate and the currency and clock, here all we use numbers. And in the previous classes you already learned about 1-digit number, 2-digit number and 3-digit numbers. And today we are going to discuss about 4-digit numbers. How to read and write 4-digit number and the place value and face value of 4-digit numbers. So today we are going to discuss about read and write 4-digit numbers in figures and words and identify the place value and face value of a digit in a number. For a 3-digit number, the place values are it is ones, tens and 100. For a 3-digit number, the place values ones, tens and 100. And which is the smallest 3-digit number? The smallest 3-digit number, that is 100, and the greatest 3-digit number is 999, and the smallest 4-digit number, that is 1000. That is 1000. 4-digit number, that is 1000, and greatest 4-digit number is 9999. Greatest 4-digit number 9999, 4 nines, and the smallest 4-digit number, that is 1000. So the fourth place, that is thousands place. For a 4-digit number, the highest place value is 1000. For a 1-digit number, it is ones. 2-digit number, it is ones and tens. For 3-digit numbers, it is ones, tens and 100. And for a 4-digit number, it is ones, tens, 100 and 1000. For a 4-digit number, the highest place value, it is 1000. And here we need to write a number 5894. We need to write this in a place value chart. I will write, here the first digit in the right side, it is ones place digit, and the second digit, that is tens place, and third one is in hundreds place, and the fourth one, that is in thousands place. Fourth digit, that is thousands place digit. So if you want to write this in a place value chart, ones place digit is 4, and tens place digit, it is 9, and hundreds place digit, that is 8, thousands place digit, that is 5. Then how to read this number? We need to read this 4-digit number. I will read first. Look at the first digit, thousands place digit, that is 5. So it is 5000. 5000. 5000. And then next one, 800s. 800s and 94. 5890, 94. For reading a 4-digit number, first we need to read the digit in the thousands place. 5000 digit and its place 5000. Then 800. 8 is in hundreds place, so it is 800. 9 is in tens place, so it is 90. 4 is in ones place, so it is 494. 5894. And the expanded form, what do you mean by expanded? We need to expand something, or we are adding something. So in a number, if you are writing the expanded form, means we need to write the each digit and its place values. Then we can check how to write the expanded form. For this number 5894, we need to expand this one. First to look at the place values. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000 is 5000. First digit and its place 5000. Write 5000. Then use the symbol addition plus 8. Next digit is 8 and its place is 100. 800. So write 800. Next digit, that is 9 and its place it is 10. So it is 9 tens. 90 plus 4. 4 is in one's place. So it is 4. This is the expanded form of 5894. 5000 plus 800 plus 90 plus 4. And to write this in a place value chart, first you write the ones place digit, that is 4. Then write the tens place digit, that is 9. Then write 100 place digit, that is 8. Then thousands place digit 5. And how to read this number? It is 5, then its place 5000, 8, and its place 100, 800, 9, its place tens, 9 tens 90 plus 4. So it is 5894. And the expanded form of 5894 is 5. Then remaining number of digits, that is 3. Place their zeros. Instead of that digits, you place zeros. 5000 plus 800 plus 90 plus 4. And the number name, that is 5894. We can do some examples, then you can easily understand. Here let us try 2.1 in your text. Let us try 2.1. You can see some questions. Question number 7. Read the given numbers and write them in words. We need to write these numbers in words. First number, that is 7. It is a 4-digit number, so the place value, highest place, that is thousands place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. 7,000. Right, 7,000. Then 600. 600. 32. 7,632. Next number, 0 in one's place, 1 in tens place, 100's place digit is 0 and thousands place digit is 1. It is 1000. 1000. Then in hundreds place it is 0, so it is 0 hundreds. 0 hundred means 0. We no need to write anything. Then next one, 1 tens, 10. So it is 1010. 1010. 0 is in the hundreds place digit, so no need to write 0 hundreds. Just write 1010. Next one, it is ones, tens, 100, 1000. Thousands place digit, that is 3. So it is 3000. And 100 place digit, that is 0. So no need to write. Then tens place digit is also 0. So no need to write. Then last digit, that is 8. That is in one's place. So it is 8. So our answer is 3008. 3008. And the next question number 8. Observe each sequence and write the next 4 numbers. We need to write the next 4 numbers. The first question they gave 3256. Next number 3356. Next one 3456. In the previous classes you already learned about skip countings. Here we can see the difference between these digits, these numbers. Here the first number, that is 3256. Ones place digit is 6, tens place digit is 5, hundreds place digit is 2, and thousands place digit, that is 3. And in the second number, ones place digit is 6, tens place digit, that is 5, hundred place digit is 3, thousands place digit is 3. And the third number, ones place digit is 6, tens place digit, that is 5, hundred place digit, that is 4, and thousands place digit is 3. In these three numbers we can see only change, that is the only difference is the hundred place digits. Here they change the hundred place digits. That means first number plus 100 is the second number. Second number plus 100, 100 is third number. So if you want to write the fourth number, what we need to add 1 with the 100th place digit. 4 plus 1, then it is 5. So the number is 3546. Next one, 5 plus 1, that is 6. So it is 3646. Next one, 3006 plus 1, that is 746. Then 3846. And the next sequence, it is 5782, 5792, 5802. The next one, here you can see they change the tens place digit. That means they add 10 with each number. 5782 plus 10, that is 5792. Then plus 10, that is 5802. 5792 plus 10. 2 plus 0, 2. 9 plus 1, that is 10, carry over 1. 7 plus 1, that is 8, and 5. This 5802. So they add 10 with each number. We need to add 10 with the 5802. 2 plus 10, that is 12. We need to add this number with 10. So the next number is 5812 plus 10, 5822 plus 10, 5832 plus 10, 5842. In the second sequence, they add 10 with each number, and the first sequence they add 100 with each number. Next one, that is the face value of a number or face value of a digit in a number. The face value of a digit is the number itself. Face value of a digit is the number itself. For example, face value of 5 in 4657 is 5. Face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself. For example, another example, if face value of 6 in 7658, we need to write the face value of 6. Face value of 6 is 6. The face value of a digit is the number itself. Write the place value and face value of the digits in pink for each of these numbers. We need to write the face value and place value of the digits given in the pink color. First question, 8543. It is 8543. We need to write the place value and face value of 8. You know 8 is in which place? 3 is in 1's place, 4 is in 10's place, 5 is in 100's place, and 8 is in 1000's place. So the place value of 8 is 8000. Face value of 8 is 8000, and face value of a digit is the number itself. So it is 8. And second question, we need to write the place value and face value of 2. 2 is in which place? 3 is in 1's place, 6 is in 10's place, 2 is in 100th place, and 4 is in 1000's place. So the place value of 2, 2 and its place 2 into 100, that is 200. Face value 2. 9. 3289. We need to write the place value and the face value of 9 in 3289. 9 is in which place? 1's place. So the place value of 9 into its place, 9 into 1, that is 9, and face value means the digit itself, so it is 9. And we need to write the place value and the face value of 1 in 7812. 2 is in 1's place, 1 is in 10's place, 8 is in 100th place, and 7 is in 1000's place. So the place value of 1 is 1 into 10, 1 tenths, that is 10, and the face value is 1. Next question, complete the table. We need to complete this table. Here they gave standard form, expanded form, and the number in words. We need to complete this one. In the first one they gave standard form and expanded form. We need to write the number in words. How to read this number? First you write the place values, places, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So the number is 6254. The number, that is the number name is 6000 200 54. And the second question they gave the standard form and number name. We need to write the expanded form. Write the place values, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Let's write the expanded form. First digit, first the greatest place value digit, that is 1, 1 into 1000, that is 1000, plus 100 place digit 0, 0 into 100, that is 0, so no need to write 0 into any number, that is 0. Then 10's place digit, that is 0, 0 into 10 also 0, so no need to write. Then 3 into 1, 3 ones are 3. So the expanded form of 1003 is 1000 plus 3, and the number name, that is 1003. Last one, that is 894. They only give the standard form. We need to write the expanded form and the number name. Number is, it is a 3-digit number and the place value is 100. 894. 894. The expanded form of 894 is 800 plus second one 9 into 10, it is 90. 90 plus 4 into 1, 4. 800 plus 90 plus 4, and the number name 894. 894. So today we discuss about the expanded form and standard form and the place value and face value of a 4-digit number. Place value and face value of a 4-digit number. The first place is 1, then second place, that is 10th place, third, that is 100th place, and fourth place, that is 1000th place. For a 4-digit number there are 4 places, 1's place, 10th place, 100th place and 1000th place. Here is your home assignment. Let us try 2.2, page number 29 and 30. Question number 1, it's A and B, C. Question number 3, A, B, C. Question number 5, A, B, C, D and E. See you in the next class. Thank you.